Hello my friends, welcome to the channel. In this video we're gonna try some product I just bought off Amazon that had really good reviews, and I want to see how it does on some basic leather cleaning. So it's actually made by Car Guys and it's supposed to be super cleaner, so it's supposed to work on everything, and they were nice enough to even throw in microfiber towel. It goes about 15 bucks on Amazon, regular price, nothing crazy, but we'll see how it works. We'll see if it's worth the hype. It had like almost 5-star review based on, I don't know, several thousand views. So let's get to the camera right after this. So, as you can see, it's not the cleanest. Hopefully the camera picks it up. Like, it's fairly dirty, so we're gonna use some masking tape and gonna throw that on there and see how it does. So, let me set this over here. I just want to see the difference. So we'll just put this bastard right in the middle and kind of see what it will look like. Yeah, close enough. Alright, all we're using is one of those little wire brushes, and again this unicorn tears or whatever the hell that is. Alright, so there it goes. Okay. Alright. So we got some spray going, and again I'm not gonna edit this out, I'm just gonna get it to you guys as if it works out or doesn't. Alright. Let's wipe this off and actually see the difference. As you can see, the difference is definitely there. Alright guys, so I couldn't help myself and I detailed the seats too. So, and think about it this way, this is a 12-year-old car and look at that leather. Interior looks like new. I might give those carpets a whirl and see how good it does, but yeah, on panels definitely works magic. I'm super impressed on that central console. Alright guys, hopefully this video was helpful. Definitely thumbs up for Car Guys products. So I hope you hit like, subscribe, and have a good day. Almost forgot, please support your local animal shelters. Right, Bear Bear? Right, Laddie?